When it comes to writing essays, the first impression is everything. And that first impression, it starts with the hook. A hook is the opening line or statement of your essay designed to grab attention and make your audience want to read more. Today, we're diving into the different types of hooks and how you can use them effectively in persuasive essays, argumentative essays, speeches, and more. Let's get started. The question hook. One of the simplest but most powerful hooks is the question hook. It invites readers to think and gets them curious about your perspective. Example for a persuasive essay. Would you still drink that soda if you knew it was slowly destroying your health? This question doesn't just capture attention. It also sets up a persuasive argument about the dangers of sugary drinks. Example for an argumentative essay. What would you do if your privacy was invaded without your consent? This question instantly engages readers, making them reflect on a relevant issue while preparing them for an argument about digital surveillance. The anecdote hook. Stories are powerful. An anecdote hook draws readers in by sharing a brief, relatable story. It humanizes your essay and makes complex ideas more approachable. Example for a narrative essay. I still remember the day my grandmother sat me down, her hands trembling as she handed me an old, dusty notebook. This, she said, is the secret to our family's legacy. This opening makes readers want to know more about the legacy and its significance. The statistic hook. Numbers don't lie, and a shocking statistic can immediately capture attention. It establishes credibility and highlights the urgency of your topic. Example for a persuasive essay. Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 children go to bed hungry every night in our country? This startling fact not only grabs attention but also sets the stage for a persuasive argument about child hunger. The quotation hook. Using a relevant quote from a famous person or a well-known source can add credibility to your essay. It shows that your argument is grounded in respected ideas. Example for an analytical essay. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." But is this still true in an age dominated by data? This hook uses a thought-provoking quote to set up an analysis of creativity versus data-driven decision-making. Example for a reflective essay. Maya Angelou wrote, "We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated." These words echoed in my mind during the toughest year of my life. Here, the quote not only grabs attention but also leads into a personal reflection. The statement hook. This is a bold, declarative statement designed to shock or intrigue. It works by challenging readers' preconceived notions or presenting a controversial viewpoint. Example for an argumentative essay. Social media is the single greatest threat to democracy today. Such a strong claim compels the reader to keep reading to see how you back it up. Vivid imagery can immerse readers into a scene, making them curious about the story behind it. Example for a descriptive essay. The sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of crimson and gold, as the air grew heavy with the scent of blooming jasmine. Such detailed description draws readers into the scene and sets the mood for the essay. Example for a narrative essay. His hands were cold, his eyes vacant, and yet his grip on the letter was firm, as if letting go would mean losing her forever. This dramatic image hooks the reader by creating an emotional atmosphere. No matter which type of hook you choose, remember, the goal is to grab attention and make readers want to learn more. Use question hooks to spark curiosity. Use anecdote hooks to humanize your argument. Use statistic hooks to ground your ideas in facts. Use quotation hooks to add credibility. Use statement hooks to boldly challenge ideas. Use description hooks to create vivid imagery. The best hooks are the ones that align with your essay's purpose and resonate with your audience. Experiment with these different types and find the one that works best for your writing style. A great essay hook isn't just about capturing attention. It's about setting the stage for a powerful, persuasive argument. Now go on and craft that perfect hook. Your readers are waiting.